Hey guys, B-Tech here. Today, I'm going to show you how to upscale and add frame generation to any web browser video using lossless scaling. This method works on YouTube, Netflix, and other online video streaming sites. Previously, I made a video on how to upscale anime and movies locally, and it seems like you guys loved it. I hit 50K views in under a month. So, thank you all for that. If you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. It really helps. 99% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so if you find this useful, hit that button. A lot of you asked how to do this in a web browser, so here's your step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, make sure your screen resolution is set to native and the scale is at 100%. 1. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. 2. Look for your screen resolution. Mine is 1080p at 120 Hz. Set yours to the maximum resolution and refresh rate your display supports. 3. Set the scaling to 100%. Even if Windows recommends a different value, like 125%, keeping it at 100% ensures the UI remains sharp. This setting also prevents UI elements from becoming too large, which is useful for lower resolution videos. Now, open your browser and load the video you want to watch. This method is especially useful for older YouTube videos, videos with lower resolution, like 720p, slower internet connections where higher resolutions may not be an option. Keeping your display scale at 100% ensures the video player doesn't appear too big on your screen. Measure and crop the video player. To get the best results, you need to crop the video properly. You can do this using PowerToy's screen ruler function. If you don't have PowerToys, download it from the Microsoft Store. It's free and packed with useful tools. Open the screen ruler by pressing Windows-Shift-M. Measure the video player's pixel size. For example, mine is close to 720p, so I'll use 720p as the base resolution. Open Lossless Scaling and go to the Crop Input section. Crop the edges by adjusting the values manually, or use Screen Ruler to get the exact pixel measurements for top, left, bottom, and right. Once the crop is set, press the shortcut key or scale button to apply the changes. To make videos look even smoother, you can enable frame generation. 1. In the Frame Generation FG section, select LSFG 3.0 as the type. 2. Set the mode to adaptive. 3. Choose a target frame rate equal to your screen's refresh rate. Mine is 120 Hz, so I'll set it to 120 FPS. For scaling, use FSR for regular videos. If you prefer custom upscaling, you can manually enter different values, but auto mode generally provides great results. If you're watching anime online, you can create a separate lossless scaling profile for better results. Open Lossless Scaling and create a new profile for the anime streaming site. Measure and enter the crop values for the video player, just like before. I don't recommend enabling frame generation for anime, since anime runs at different frame rates, and adding frames can change the artistic style. Some viewers suggested 48 FPS as a sweet spot for anime, so if you prefer that, you can set it to 48 FPS. Use Anime 4K if you're upscaling to 4K. If you're using very large or ultra-large resolutions, select the appropriate size. Otherwise, large is fine. Finally, hit Scale. And now you can enjoy upscaled anime with optional frame generation for extra smoothness. That's it for this guide. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.